guys, this is Poetspice Jamie Little Tallulah, and I am here for the Home for the Holidays collab. In this project, we are going to be posting for the next 12 days, and we are focusing on scene themed like home, hearth, seasonal, decoration, winters, all centered around a home theme. And so come and see us every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and play along. Make sure you like, subscribe, be visible, subby. Yep. And do a VR, a video response showing us your project that is holiday home related, because you never know. All right, so I'm going to start with this. I'm using this Griffin Finishing School. And it is the Holiday Open House Craft Box. And in this box, you will remember, possibly, is this die set, which is supposed to be a rendition of Anna Griffin's actual house. Which means I need to quit buying her stuff because I don't have a house like this. Right? I need to save that money to make my own house. But anyway, here we go. So it has this die set and lots of papers in it. It has ephemera, so forth. So that's what I'm going to be putting together for you today. And I hope you enjoy. And, you know, like I said, definitely come and play along, show us a video. Okay, so I've cut one of the bases. I've cut a white piece as the next backing layer. Then I also cut a top layer with the detail in the roof. So for the first piece, you saw that I folded it so that I could make the easel card. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue that front piece down to the white base. Now you want to do this before you glue it onto the actual easel card base sometimes, because it makes it easier to line things up. Now, since I'm not putting a liner on the inside, that's why I'm doing this. If I were lining the inside of the card, I would put that down first and then layer on. So now I glued on the roof. Totally love these Anna Griffin house dies. I'm going to go ahead and take glue and put on all of the windows in the trim. And I used all papers that came out of that kit. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. It would also be fun to cut these pieces out, especially like this balcony piece, out of some fun foam and then put the gold piece over top. That way you could get some more dimension, but I didn't have any fun foam readily available. I think these windows are really cool, so fabulous. Now you could also use these and put like the candles. So later on you'll see I have candles. So you could put the candles behind them, but I ended up putting them on top. Another tip, of course, is you can use this house and change it into any other type of house. It could be a gingerbread house. You could decorate it even more for Christmas. You could turn it into a Valentine's Day house. You can add some spires or something to the top and make it like a castle looking one, even though she does have a castle. So that's one thing you can do with all of these. You can change what season and what they're designed for. If you didn't want to do an easel card, you could just take two of those bases and make a card. So here I'm putting some tape on the strip. And I also like to put glue because that gives it a little more wiggle room. So you get instant grab, but space to move it as well. So I'm lining it up with the bottom edge. And then I like to go back and score that line again. So I've taken out some of the decorations that are in the kit and trying to decide what I want to add to the windows. I definitely want that Christmas home look. So we're adding garland to the balcony. I'm going to take those smaller pieces and trim them up so that they can lay across the windows instead of being in that pointed orientation. I love the tiny little wreaths in here. It's just too cute. So here you can see that I'm trimming those down so that I have enough to put across the windows. And I'm adding the candles, and I put it in the 2 windows. I was going to put it in all 4 windows, but then I only wanted it at the top. So you can see basically what the final look is. Those little wreaths are just too cute. Then we want to go and see what kind of sentiment. That little sleigh is adorable too. So I had to work that in some kind of way. Unfortunately, there's no reindeer in this set, so you couldn't put it like with the little reindeer going across. That would have been cute. Now, I've said this in previous videos as well. I always put dots of glue on my foam tape because, you know, that stuff tends to wear off after a while. You can see my Halloween stuff in the corner. So here I went and cut some pieces using the label because I wanted to get that done and then make it larger to put the sentiment on top. And I'm going to use that as the stopper on the inside of the card. I used another one and put it as the sentiment on the outside. I'm going to raise that up with foam tape. For an easel card, you always have to have height on the stopper. And then you can see I'm going to dot on some glue again. And now you just want to decide how far back you want the easel to go. And so there is my card. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And the fact that the little door opens is amazing. It's the little things. You know, it's just the little things. So that is my entry today. So thanks for watching. Go check out the other ladies in the collab. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and do a VR. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.